Imagine pulling back on the controls and feeling no physical resistance. No cables stretching, no pulleys turning. Just pure, instantaneous digital communication. This is fly-by-wire. An invisible revolution that has changed how we navigate the skies forever. No direct link. Just digital precision. In this deep dive, we'll explore the transition from mechanical systems to the digital brains that now act as a guardian for every flight. The signal flow is elegant. Input from the pilot goes to a flight control computer, which then commands the actuators to move the wings. Acronyms like ELAC, SEC, and FAC might sound like alphabet soup, but they are the redundant brains keeping the aircraft stable and safe. To understand where we are, we must look at where we started. Traditional mechanical controls relied on heavy steel cables and complex pulley systems. These systems were heavy, required constant maintenance, and offered no protection if the pilot pushed the aircraft beyond its structural limits. Enter the digital era. Modern sidesticks use sensors to translate physical movement into electronic data, sent at the speed of light to onboard computers. This transition allowed for something revolutionary: envelope protection. It is an invisible guardian that monitors every move the pilot makes. If a pilot tries to pull up too sharply, the computer calculates the risk of a stall and limits the pitch automatically. Similarly, bank angle protection prevents the plane from rolling over too far, ensuring the aircraft stays within its safe aerodynamic operating window. These protections are governed by what we call control laws. Under normal law, the computer provides full protection and stability augmentation. But what if sensors fail? The system degrades gracefully into alternate law and finally direct law, where the pilot gains raw manual control. Fly-by-wire also handles the small stuff. In heavy turbulence, the computer makes hundreds of micro-adjustments per second to keep the ride smooth. Redundancy is key. If one computer fails, another takes over instantly, ensuring that the digital link between the pilot and the plane is never broken. From the first Airbus A320 to the latest Boeing 787, fly-by-wire has made aviation more efficient, lighter, and incredibly safer for everyone on board. Thanks for joining us on this digital journey. Subscribe for more on flight mechanics and check out our next video on the science of winglets.